Hi, it's Isabel at Lloyd South Lakes BMW, and here we have a 218d M Sport Active Tourer finished in Skyscraper Grey Metallic. The front headlights and fog lights are LED, giving you more visibility and making you more visible to other traffic when visibility may be low. It has 18-inch M double-spoke bicolour alloy wheels, and the wind mirrors can be electrically folded in when locking the car to protect them from passing traffic or pedestrians, and they'll fold back out when unlocking the car. In the rear windows, it has sun protection glass, protecting backseat passengers from high UV rays, while also adding an element of privacy. It has a top speed of 137 miles per hour and can get from 0 to 62 in 8.8 seconds. Moving on to the interior, it has Alcantara Sensatec black with blue stitching upholstery and front heated sports seats, essential for driving in the winter as they're quick heating. If you're interested in learning more about this 218d M Sport Active Tourer, please get in touch via the details provided or come and visit us at Lloyd South Lakes BMW.